So welcome to my journal. So this is about journaling my trades. So in this week I took multiple trades from November 3 to November 7. So we will go over those trades in this week. The first trade that I took was in Euro USD buy trade. This is the trade that I took. It was near the daily support resistance. Daily support resistance when market showed that market went made a higher high. That means change of character. I just took the trade, keeping the stop loss below the low. But in this case, market just continued its trend and hits my stop loss. This was completely bad trade. I don't know why I took this trade. Maybe some other reason or psychological reason. If we talk about the second trade that I took uh, here, this was the trade in gold. I was looking at it. Gold was moving down. It showed the break of structure right here. When it pulled back, after pulling back, I was looking to trade after market showed break of structure on the lower time frame. So this was the lower time frame of 15 minute. Higher time frame was 4 hour. So when market made the break of structure here, I just took the trade. But when it started reversing immediately, I exited the trade right here on the close of this candle and didn't wait it for my stop loss to get hit. But after this trade, I took another trade in the same with the same direction here. In this is the line that I first took my trade here. But after that, I took the trade here again with the same stop loss, with the same target, and this eventually got hit. And this was actually a good trade. Uh, with an ICC concept, that indication, correction, and continuation. Basically, a break and retest, 4 hour break, and then shift in the correction. We wait for lower time frame structure shift. So this was the lower time frame structure shift that I saw on the 15 minute. That third trade I took in this week. This was completely in the GBP or AUD. This was completely stupid trade. I don't know why I took this trade. This was basically based on the trend line. I draw the trend line here and I saw the break of this trend line right here. So I just took the trade on the breakout. But once I saw market is reversing right from there, I just exited the trade. But this wasn't a good trade actually because this wasn't my setup. And this has been my main problem, that I'm not following any setup completely. So after this fourth trade, this was my last trade. No, not this one, not the last one, but what is the date? 5 November on Thursday. 5 November on Thursday, I took this trade. This was based on the ACD, another different concept. That's what I'm saying, that uh, I'm not sticking to any perfect strategy here. So basically, this trade was based on ACD. When market reached the A up and started falling, it showed the A up fail. It showed the A up fail. I took the trade and kept the stop loss at the top. But after reaching the target, I have already booked 50% at the 1:1 and kept my stop loss at the break even. So this was the bad decision by me, and I increased my target to make up for that, because I took the half percent profit at the 50%. To make up for that, I increased the target. This was my actual target, but I didn't book here. So if you look at in this, this was GBP it was showing it as a two trade. This was the partial profit that I booked, and this was hit as a break even. This trade got break even out, and this was the other trade: Euro USD loss, gold loss, then then GBP odd loss, and then gold profit. And the last trade that I took on Friday, GBP USD. This was the perfect set. This is again completely different. This is based on the price action. So if you look at my trades, I took trade on Monday based on support and resistance in Euro USD. This was completely based on the support and resistance. Second, I took this one based on ICC. This trade and this trade, both trade based on ICC. And then after this, I take GEP odd. This is based on trend line, and this is based on ACD, and then this is based on price action. This is based on price action. You can clearly see a trend line, but this is not actually a trend line because this is based on another concept called wedge. If you look at three pushes down, this is A.L. Brooks concept that we talk about. So when I technique, if you look at it, this was first push down, then this was the second push down, and this was the third push down. I also draw the line here. I deleted here that line, and then draw this trend line. After the break of the trend line, usually what we get is test of this extreme. This was the text of the test of this extreme, and after the break of this red candle high, I just took the trade, keeping the stop loss at the red candle low, and book the profit of around 1 is to 2 in this. But my main issue in this week that I am not sticking to any fixed strategy. I have traded five different strategies on 5 different days. So next week, in the going next week, my main goal will be stick to a strategy for a whole week. Probably I will stick to these Albrook concepts and try to trade it because I understand this concept better and I can trade that better, I guess. So let's see for the next week.